Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you uninstall any software from your computer. So let's uninstall Docker Desktop. So for uninstalling it, so if I click on here, right click and then delete this will only delete the shortcut file, not the software from my computer. So for deleting it, you have to press on window key and then search here for the Docker Desktop in my case. So in your case, you have to search for whichever software you want to uninstall. So now here you can see here is an option uninstall. Now click on it and just wait. It will open the settings on your computer. So here you can see settings has been launched. So let's say I want to uninstall Docker Desktop. So here it is showing. Also here is a button uninstall. So here are all the apps which are installed on my computer. So let's say I want to uninstall Docker Desktop. So now click on uninstall, then again click on uninstall. So just wait, it is in progress. So here you can see the Docker Desktop has been uninstalled successfully from my computer. So now it is gone. So this is how you can uninstall any software from your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.